Time words. At the moment.
At the moment.
She is watching TV at the moment. Today.
Today. I have English class today.
Last.
Last.
I went to the beach last Monday. Ago.
Ago. I saw him 3 days ago.
In.
In.
My dad was born in 1980. In the past.
In the past. People didn't have phones in the past.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
I studied English yesterday. The day before yesterday.
The day before yesterday. I saw Anna the day before yesterday.
Recently.
Recently.
I watched a new film recently. Next.
Next. We have a test next Monday.
In a moment.
In a moment.
She will call you in a moment. In the future.
In the future. We will live on Mars in the future.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I want to visit my grandma tomorrow. The day after tomorrow.
The day after tomorrow. We have a trip the day after tomorrow.
Soon.
Soon.
Lunch will be ready soon. On.
On. We play football on Saturday morning.
In the morning.
In the morning.
I get up at 7 in the morning. In the afternoon.
In the afternoon. I have tea in the afternoon.
In the evening.
In the evening.
We have dinner in the evening. At night.
At night. I go to bed at night.